Welcome to Mysterious Planet. Today, we're setting off on an extraordinary journey to uncover some of the most bizarre and fascinating places around the globe. These are the destinations that blur the line between reality and imagination, where the natural and the supernatural collide, and the mysteries of our planet come alive. From landscapes that seem plucked from another world to ancient ruins steeped in myth and legend, every location we visit holds a story waiting to be told. How were these strange places formed? What secrets do they hide? And what can they teach us about the incredible world we live in? Imagine walking through deserts that sing, exploring forests where the trees seem alive, or standing before structures that defy logic and time itself. Whether shaped by the forces of nature, crafted by human hands, or cloaked in folklore, these sites challenge what we think we know and inspire endless curiosity. So buckle up and bring along your sense of wonder. This adventure promises to be as thrilling as it is enlightening. Let's explore the extraordinary and dive into the mysteries that make our planet so unique. If you're ready, let's get started on this unforgettable journey. Welcome to the adventure. Intro go. Jökulsárlón, located in the southeastern part of Iceland, is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. This glacier lagoon, formed from the melting ice of the Vatnajökull Glacier, offers a surreal and otherworldly landscape that captivates all who visit. The lagoon is filled with floating icebergs of various shapes, sizes, and shades of blue and white, creating a mesmerizing scene that is constantly changing. The stillness of the lagoon contrasts with the gentle movement of the icebergs, which slowly drift towards the nearby Atlantic Ocean. Some of the icebergs are adorned with black streaks of volcanic ash, remnants of Iceland's fiery past, adding to the visual drama. The deep blue waters of Jökulsárlón reflect the surrounding glaciers and mountains, creating an almost mirror-like surface that amplifies its beauty. The wildlife in and around the lagoon adds another dimension to its charm. Seals can often be spotted swimming gracefully between the icebergs, while Arctic terns and other seabirds soar overhead. During the winter months, the lagoon becomes a prime location for viewing the northern lights, as the dancing auroras reflect off the icy waters, creating a magical spectacle. Jökulsárlón's beauty is not only visual, but also deeply atmospheric. The sound of cracking ice and the occasional splash as an iceberg flips or breaks apart adds a dynamic element to the tranquil setting. Visitors can explore the lagoon by boat, gliding among the icebergs for an up-close experience, or simply walk along its shores to soak in the serene environment. The surrounding landscapes of Jökulsárlón are equally captivating. The nearby Diamond Beach, where icebergs wash up on the black sand, offers a stunning contrast of colors and textures. The sight of glittering ice fragments scattered across the beach resembles diamonds sparkling in the sunlight. Jökulsárlón is also a place of scientific and cultural significance. It provides a first-hand glimpse into the effects of climate change, as the lagoon continues to expand due to the melting glacier. Despite its fragile nature, the the lagoon remains a symbol of Iceland's resilience and natural grandeur. Whether visiting during the endless daylight of summer or under the ethereal glow of the northern lights in winter, Jökulsárlón offers an experience that is both humbling and inspiring. Its beauty is timeless, yet ever-changing, making it a destination that leaves a lasting impression. For those seeking a connection to nature's raw and pristine splendor, Jökulsárlón is a true gem of Iceland. Wulingyuan, located in the Hunan province of China, is a breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its extraordinary natural beauty. This vast scenic area spans over 26,000 hectares and is home to more than 3,000 sandstone pillars and peaks, many of which rise dramatically into the misty skies. These towering formations, often covered in lush greenery, create a surreal landscape that seems to belong to another world. The region is divided into four main areas: Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, Swashi Valley Nature Reserve, Tianzi Mountain Nature Reserve, and the Yangjiajie Scenic Area. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is the most famous of these, offering iconic views of the pillar-like formations, including the towering Avatar Hallelujah Mountain, which inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Wulingyuan's diverse ecosystem is equally remarkable, with dense forests, clear rivers, and cascading waterfalls. Visitors often encounter exotic flora and fauna, including rare animals like the Chinese giant salamander and various species of monkeys. The vibrant biodiversity adds a dynamic layer to the stunning rock formations. The Tianzi Mountain area offers panoramic views of peaks shrouded in clouds, providing an ethereal experience for visitors. The natural beauty here is further enhanced by the ever-changing weather, which creates dramatic light and shadow effects across the landscape. The Bailong Elevator, the world's highest outdoor elevator, offers an unforgettable ride with sweeping views of the sandstone pillars. scenic Golden Whip stream winds its way through the forested valley, offering a tranquil contrast to the towering peaks. Walking along its banks allows visitors to immerse themselves in the serene ambience of the area. Cable cars and glass walkways provide thrilling ways to explore the terrain, offering perspectives that highlight the grandeur of Wulingyuan. Beyond its natural splendor, Wulingyuan has deep cultural and spiritual significance. Many of its peaks are named after historical or mythological figures, reflecting the rich heritage of the region. Local legends and folklore add a mystical charm to the landscape, blending nature with cultural storytelling. Wulingyuan is a place where dramatic geology, lush vegetation, and cultural depth come together in perfect harmony. Whether viewed from a mountaintop or explored along forested trails, the beauty of this region is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Its timeless allure makes it one of the most iconic and memorable destinations in China. Lake Natron, located in northern Tanzania near the border with Kenya, is one of the most unique and visually striking natural wonders in Africa. This shallow, alkaline lake is famous for its otherworldly appearance, characterized by vivid red and orange hues caused by the presence of salt-loving microorganisms and algae. These vibrant colors create a mesmerizing contrast against the surrounding arid landscape, making it a photographer's paradise. The lake's beauty is both captivating and mysterious. It lies at the base of the active Outtro volcano, known as the Mountain of Gods in the Maasai language, which adds a dramatic backdrop to the surreal scenery. During the dry season, the lake's surface often turns into a vast, shimmering crust of salt, reflecting the sky and creating an illusion of endless space. Lake Natron is not only visually stunning, but also ecologically significant. It serves as the primary breeding ground for millions of lesser flamingos, which thrive in its caustic waters that are inhospitable to most predators. The sight of thousands of pink flamingos wading through the vibrant lake is a spectacular display of nature's resilience and adaptability. The surrounding region is equally fascinating, with rugged terrain, volcanic formations, and sparse vegetation that highlight the stark beauty of the African Rift Valley. Ancient hominid footprints preserved in the hardened volcanic ash near the lake tell a story of human history that dates back thousands of years. Despite its harsh environment, Lake Natron is a source of life and inspiration. The Maasai people, who have lived in harmony with this challenging landscape for generations, consider the lake and its surroundings sacred. Their traditions and stories add a layer of cultural depth to the area's natural allure. Visitors to Lake Natron can explore its beauty through guided walks along the shores, where they can witness the intricate salt patterns and the kaleidoscope of colors up close. The nearby Angar waterfall offers a refreshing escape, with cool cascades set against the dry and rugged landscape. Lake Natron's surreal beauty is a reminder of the planet's diverse ecosystems and the extraordinary adaptations of life. Its harsh yet stunning environment leaves an indelible impression on all who visit, making it one of Africa's most unforgettable natural wonders. Salar De Uyuni, located in southwest Bolivia, is the world's largest salt flat, covering an area of over 10,000 square kilometers. This extraordinary landscape is one of the most surreal and breathtaking destinations on Earth, offering a visual experience unlike any other. The vast expanse of white salt stretches endlessly to the horizon, creating an illusion of infinity that captivates visitors. During the dry season, the salt flats are a dazzling white desert with hexagonal patterns of crystallized salt that naturally form across the ground. The stark contrast of the bright white surface against the deep blue sky is a photographer's dream, offering endless opportunities for creative and perspective-defying shots. Rainy season, Salar De Uyuni transforms into the world's largest natural mirror. A thin layer of water covers the flats, reflecting the sky perfectly and creating an ethereal, dreamlike effect. This mirror-like quality makes it seem as though visitors are walking on the clouds, blurring the line between earth and sky. The salt flats are also home to unique islands, such as Eastline Kawasi, a rocky outcrop covered with ancient cacti that provide a stunning contrast to the surrounding salt desert. These islands offer panoramic views of the flats and are a popular spot for travelers seeking to understand the region's geological wonders. Salar De Uyuni is not just a visual marvel, but also an important ecological and cultural site. It is a significant breeding ground for pink flamingos, which add a splash of vibrant color to the stark landscape. The flats also contain one of the world's largest reserves of lithium, making it an essential resource for modern technology. The surrounding region of Salar De Uyuni adds to its allure. Nearby, the colorful Laguna Colorada and Laguna Verde, with their vibrant red and green waters, showcase the region's diverse and otherworldly landscapes. The surreal rock formations and volcanic activity in the area further enhance the sense of being on another planet. Visitors to Salar De Uyuni often marvel at the interplay of light, reflection, and scale, which creates an unparalleled sensory experience. It's a place that feels timeless and otherworldly, evoking a sense of wonder and connection with nature. Salar De Uyuni is more than a destination. It's a journey into the extraordinary, where the beauty of the natural world is displayed in its purest and most surreal form. Mount Bromo, located in East Java, Indonesia, is one of the most iconic and breathtaking volcanoes in the world. Part of the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, this active volcano rises majestically from a vast sea of volcanic sand, creating a surreal and dramatic landscape. Its name, derived from the Hindu god Brahma, signifies its spiritual and cultural importance to the local Tenggerese people. The beauty of Mount Bromo is best experienced at sunrise, when the first light of day casts golden hues over the volcanic peaks. Visitors often climb to the nearby Mount Penanjakan viewpoint to witness this spectacular sight, where the low-lying clouds and the surrounding volcanoes create an otherworldly panorama. The interplay of light and shadow accentuates the rugged terrain, making it a favorite spot for photographers. Descending into the caldera, the journey across the sea of sand is an unforgettable experience. This vast expanse of volcanic ash and sand feels like a desert out of a science fiction movie. Visitors can explore on foot or by horseback, adding a sense of adventure to the trip. Reaching the crater of Mount Bromo involves climbing a steep staircase, but the effort is well worth it. Standing at the edge, visitors can peer into the steaming crater where the raw power of nature is on full display. The sound of the hissing steam and the sulfurous smell remind onlookers of the volcano's activity and the dynamic forces beneath the Earth's surface. The surrounding landscapes of Mount Bromo are equally captivating. Rolling hills, lush grasslands, and the towering Mount Semeru, Java's highest peak, add layers of beauty to the region. The nearby Whispering Sand and the Teletubbies Hill are unique attractions that showcase the diverse terrain of the area. Mount Bromo is not just a visual spectacle, but also a cultural treasure. The Tengerese people, who live in the surrounding villages, hold the volcano sacred and celebrate the annual Yadnya Kasada festival. During this event, offerings are thrown into the crater as a sign of respect and gratitude to the mountain spirits. The combination of natural beauty, cultural significance, and spiritual atmosphere makes Mount Bromo a truly unforgettable destination. Whether exploring its rugged landscapes, marveling at its majestic views, or immersing oneself in its cultural traditions, Mount Bromo offers a profound connection to the power and beauty of nature. It is a place that leaves an indelible mark on the hearts of all who visit. The Namib Desert, stretching along the southwestern coast of Africa, is one of the world's oldest and most extraordinary deserts. Known for its striking landscapes, it is a place of immense natural beauty and awe-inspiring contrasts. Its vast expanse of golden dunes, some of which are the tallest in the world, creates a mesmerizing sea of sand that stretches to the horizon. One of the desert's most iconic features is Sausage-fly, a salt and clay pan surrounded by towering red dunes. These dunes, particularly Dune 45 and Big Daddy, are renowned for their vibrant colors, which change dramatically with the shifting sunlight. Climbing these dunes offers panoramic views of the surreal landscape, where the endless expanse of sand meets the clear blue sky. The Namib Desert is also home to Deadfly, a stark and hauntingly beautiful area where ancient, dead camelthorn trees stand against a backdrop of white clay and rust-red dunes. This striking combination of elements creates a scene that feels like stepping into another world. Despite its arid environment, the Namib Desert supports a surprising array of life, showcasing nature's resilience. Unique plants like the welwitschia, which can live for thousands of years, and desert-adapted animals such as oryx, geckos, and fog-basking beetles have evolved ingenious ways to survive in this harsh environment. The Skeleton Coast, where the desert meets the Atlantic Ocean, adds another layer of intrigue. Known for its shipwrecks and desolate beauty, it is a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. The interplay between the rugged coastline and the shifting sands creates a hauntingly beautiful landscape. The desert's vast, open spaces offer an unparalleled sense of tranquility and isolation. At night, the Namib becomes a stargazer's paradise, with its clear skies providing a spectacular view of the Milky Way. The silence of the desert is profound, offering a deep sense of peace and connection to the earth. The Namib Desert also holds a rich cultural history. The indigenous Himba people have lived in harmony with this harsh landscape for generations, their vibrant traditions adding a human element to the region's natural beauty. Ancient rock art and engravings found in places like Twijfelfontein tell stories of early human inhabitants who revered the desert's mysteries. Shifting sands, dramatic landscapes, and remarkable adaptations of life make the Namib Desert a place of wonder and inspiration. It is a testament to the beauty of endurance, where life and landscape merge in one of the planet's most unique ecosystems. Visiting the Namib Desert is more than a journey. It is an experience of timeless beauty and profound serenity. The Valley of the Moon, or Wadi Rum, located in southern Jordan, is a breathtaking desert landscape that captures the imagination with its otherworldly beauty. Known for its vast expanse of red sand, towering sandstone cliffs, and ancient rock formations, it resembles a scene straight out of a science fiction movie. This resemblance to Mars has earned it the nickname Mars on Earth, and it has been featured as a filming location for many Hollywood productions. The valley is defined by its dramatic natural features, including rugged mountains, narrow canyons, and massive rock arches. At sunrise and sunset, the desert transforms into a palette of vibrant colors as the sunlight casts golden, orange, and red hues across the sand and rocks. These shifting colors create a sense of magic and wonder, making it a paradise for photographers and adventurers alike. The Seven Pillars of Wisdom, a towering rock formation named after T. Lawrence's famous book, is one of Wadi Rum's most iconic landmarks. Visitors are often awestruck by its sheer size and the intricate patterns etched into the stone by centuries of wind and sand erosion. Despite its arid environment, the Valley of the Moon is rich in history and culture. Petroglyphs and ancient inscriptions found throughout the region tell stories of the nomadic tribes and civilizations that once called this desert home. These carvings offer a glimpse into the lives of early inhabitants, adding a layer of historical depth to the natural beauty. The Bedouin people, who continue to inhabit the valley, add a vibrant cultural dimension to the landscape. Their warm hospitality, traditional music, and distinctive camps provide visitors with an authentic experience of desert life. Spending a night in a Bedouin camp under the starry desert sky is an unforgettable highlight of any visit to Wadi Rum. The Valley of the Moon is also a place of adventure. Visitors can explore its vast terrain through jeep safaris, camel rides, or even hot air balloon rides that offer stunning aerial views of the landscape. Hiking and climbing opportunities abound, with trails leading to panoramic viewpoints and hidden wonders. At night, the valley's clear skies offer a mesmerizing view of the stars, making it a haven for stargazers. The quiet stillness of the desert amplifies the beauty of the Milky Way, creating a profound sense of connection to the universe. Wadi Rum's blend of natural splendor, cultural richness, and historical significance makes it one of the most unique and captivating destinations in the world. Its timeless beauty leaves a lasting impression on all who visit, offering an experience that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Thank you for exploring one of the most bizarre and fascinating places on our mysterious planet with me. From jaw-dropping landscapes to mind-bending mysteries, this journey reminds us how incredible and strange our world truly is. What was your favorite part of the adventure? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any suggestions for other bizarre places to explore. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to stay connected and make sure you never miss an expedition into the unknown. There are so many more hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. From eerie landscapes to ancient mysteries, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of our planet's secrets. So stay curious, keep exploring, and join me next time as we uncover more incredible and bizarre corners of the globe. Until then, thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.